Looking for reliable steel bar. Induction forging furnace. This is forever electromechanical. We focus on induction heating. Solutions for steel bars. Our steel bar induction heating machine adopts high efficiency. IGBT, induction power supply. It provides fast and uniform heating for steel bar forging. Quenching and hot rolling. Stable performance, low energy consumption. Suitable for different diameter steel bar processing. Contact forever electromechanical. For your custom induction heating solution, suitable for different diameter steel bar processing.